Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2007 Suzuki Van 125. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look all around the bike for you. Okay, let's go and have a close look at this Suzuki. It is a really clean bike this for its age. It's only got one owner from new. It's had a full HPI check and a government mileage check. Everything clear. And it does come with a spare key in the pack. We'll start the front and have a good look all the way around the bike for you. It is a credit to its former keeper this, it's been really well looked after. I've seen quite a few of these vans, but I've not seen one as clean as this for its age, so it is in really good condition. Let's have a look at the front first and we'll work all the way around. We'll start off on the left hand side. Get a good look at that front wheel. You can see that is in tip-top condition. We'll move over and have a look at the engine and the tank and everything on this side. As you can see, it's exceptionally clean for its year. A good look low down as well. Been really well looked after this one. Nice colour as well, the white with the red and blue. It's a nice original genuine bike this. Get a good look at it from the back as well. As you can see, it's got a little luggage rack on it. These are learner legal as well, so if you've got your CBT, you can ride this on L plates. Let's get a good look at the exhaust. Get a good look at that back wheel. As you can see, that's in good condition. They do have a steel rim on the back and an aluminium one on the front on these. Let's get a good look in the back there, try and see if we can see the rear shock. It is really nice and clean this. I know I keep saying that, but you don't often get these this clean. And it's also extremely low miles for its year as well. What we will do, we'll go and get a close look up at the controls and we'll get that exact mileage for you. Right, let's have a look at the controls. Pretty standard layout. You've got your kill switch, your starter, throttle, front brake. And then over on the other side, you've got your clutch, your lights, indicators, horn, hazards. And then we'll have a look at the clock on there. As you can see, it's done just 2,828 miles. So that's under 3,000 miles for a 2007 bike. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything close up you want to see in particular, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.